Corvette has always been the forefront of America's high-performance vehicles. It has always given the European sports cars a run for their money, and with its legacy spanning over half a century, it has always been the go-to supercar for America. The motto of the Corvette has always been very simple: supercar performance for sports car money, and that has always been seen in all of the generations of the Corvette that have ever existed. And well, that supercar part that I just told you about has been amplified to a different level in the new C8 Corvette. Now I'm pretty sure you know what are the main differences of the C8 Corvette compared to the older C7 Corvette, so I'm not going to bore you a lot. I'm just going to go over the major differences. Well, of course, the biggest difference that differentiates all the other Corvettes from the new C8 is that it's mid-engine. And with that comes that it gets better weight distribution and balance in the corners. Apart from that, the whole frame has also been changed into a brand new aluminium construction, and they've changed the old dim-witted auto torque converter gearbox for a slick new 8-speed DCT transmission. Now let's come to the title of this video: why the C8 Corvette is the best sports car on sale today. Well, let's start with the price. For around $60,000, $59,990 to be exact, you can get a brand new base model C8 Corvette. And compared to all the other competition, which is a little bit cheaper or a little bit more expensive, the Corvette is just in a different performance level altogether. I mean, the A90 Supra and the BMW M2 do not even come close to the performance figures of the new C8 Corvette. The new C8 Corvette really does give you supercar looks, performance and luxury at a fairly reasonable price tag. I mean, just to give you an example, recently the C8 Corvette destroyed the $100,000 Shelby GT500 around a racetrack. And just to give you some perspective, the Shelby GT500 cost, of course, $100,000, which is $40,000 more expensive than the C8 Corvette, and of course it has a 250 horsepower advantage. Compared to that, I mean, the C8 Corvette is just a proper supercar. Well, now let's talk about how the C8 gets all of that performance, and it's of course the signature dish of all Corvettes, the V8 engine. It now gets a reworked version of the C7's LT1 Corvette engine, and it now gets the LT2, which is a 6.2 litre naturally aspirated V8 engine, which revs to 8,500 RPM. Pair that to a nice little slick 8-speed dual clutch transmission, and well, you have a recipe of performance and speed. Compared to the older Vette, the new 8-speed transmission is super fast, and the snaps are instant, the gear changes are instant, and that gives you that added performance. The old torque converter gearbox was dim-witted and very confused in what it was. It sometimes forgot that it was a gearbox altogether. The new mid-engine layout of the Corvette has also taken a huge difference when it comes to the handling of the car. I mean, since the front axle doesn't have to take all of that unnecessary weight of the massive, gigantic V8 engine up front, the steering is just super light and super planted, and you can just turn the car with utmost ease. Coming to the acceleration figures, which are absolutely mind-boggling. I mean, first of all, the new C8 Corvette goes from 0 to 100 km per hour in 2.9 seconds. That is almost a whole second faster than the C7 Stingray from the last generation. If you compare those acceleration figures to the latest generation of supercars, I mean, the Corvette is right up there. And also, if you want to get a car which accelerates from 0 to 100 km per hour in the same time that the Corvette does, you at least have to spend an easy $200,000 more and get yourself a McLaren 720S. when it comes to performance, we have to say that the C8 Corvette absolutely destroys all of the other sports cars in its price bracket. And well, since the C8 Corvette's performance bar is so high up there, right up there with the new supercars, I mean, we just can't think of how insane and vicious the new Z06 and ZR1 Corvettes will be based on the C8. And I mean, that's something we're really looking forward to. And also Corvette, why don't you just sell the C8 in India? I mean, we would be ready to buy it. So thank you so much for watching. Check out our Instagram, our website, our Facebook, our YouTube. Also give us a subscribe, share this video if you liked it. Please follow us on Instagram as well, because we do a lot of lives with influential people from the automotive industry. We've done a live with Limitless SJP, which is Horsepower Cartel, Aditya Patel, Cyrus Dabur from Autocar India. So give us a follow on Instagram. Check out our website as well, where we post daily new articles about the freshest and juiciest cars and bikes. So check that out, and also give us a subscribe while you're down there. So thank you so much for watching.